Welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove video background in Capcut PC. This is very simple. The AI capability of Capcut PC is super interesting to note, and it's going to help us remove the background of a video I'm going to be bringing in right about now. So this video is going to be this one where you see this man making a call and is confused and receiving not so good a news, I think, and is frustrated. But then I want to bring it in, right? And then we have it. Remember, we've been working on Max, so we'll go back to basics, and from basic you see remove BG, that means remove background. So now we have the video. All we need to do is auto remove. Click on that. Remember, it says only human figures can be cut out. Well, I've tried it on animals, moving animals, and it worked, but what they're trying to say here, it works best on humans. And remember, you need to have a lot of light. When I say a lot of light, I don't mean overexposed videos, but I just mean a lot of light for it to figure out the edges. But it does a lot of good work with it, like you'll see right about now. Once I click auto remove background, it's going to go out, use this AI capability, and it's going to get rid of the background. It won't take time at all, and then we'll have the ability to add strokes if we want to the video, or if we want to add pictures or images to the background, which I'll be showing you in this video. So if that is something you want to see, make sure you stick around. I don't want to bore you with all this waiting process. As you can see, we have 16%. When we are close to 90 something percent, I'll come back and play the video. So let me pause it now. So we are back, and here you have it. It's not taking long, and it was able to get out the video background. As we play it, you'll be able to see that for yourself, that we've been able to get out the video background. And now that we have it, you can see there's no background. You can add other backgrounds to the back. You can actually add strokes to it. So let's add strokes to it. As you can see, giving you that feel. You can see the stroke moves along with it. It's quite fascinating to know we can actually do that. We can actually have the stroke like that, and you see it works super well, and it's not complicated at all to do. So I'm going to be showing you how to add a background to it. As you can see, we have that stroke now. I'm sure you guys would love the other stroke which we saw earlier, so let's add that back like so. And now we can add another video to the background. Let's add this video, and let's just move this up, right? And now we have this is how it looks. So we have the woman dancing at its back, all right? So I'm just going to make that image, that one behind it, bigger, all right? I'm just going to increase that a bit and just move it to the side like that. So we have that lady dancing beneath at the back, and if we play it, this is how it looks. Okay, so she's trying to make him happy, stay happy, and don't get lost. I'll see you on the next video. I hope you can remove your background now. Thanks for watching this one. David loves you. See you later.